Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I've just changed a wiper motor on a Citroen C1. It's quite an easy job. It's exactly the same principle for a Toyota Aygo, Citroen C1 or a Peugeot 108. So we've taken some footage and hopefully it will help you if you need to change yours. All the best. Thanks for watching. Well, thanks for watching. Hopefully that will help you if you need to replace your rear wiper motor. Sorry there were a few bits missing. It was a bit difficult trying to film one-handed and do the job one-handed, but it's all fairly self-explanatory. Just be a little careful when you're putting pressure against the glass. They are quite strong, but you can put too much pressure on them and shatter them. I can't take responsibility for that, unfortunately. So hopefully this helps, and if you can, click like and subscribe to the channel. It would be much appreciated. If I have any other little jobs that I do along the way, I will post up a video of those and help you on your way as well. Okay, thanks for now.